A patrol officer responded to a report of a suspicious red pickup truck suspected of involvement in drug trafficking. Upon locating the vehicle, the officer detected the smell of marijuana when the driver lowered the window. Upon questioning about a bag inside the car, the suspect suddenly fled. The officer immediately notified dispatch and initiated a pursuit. The chase escalated with speeds exceeding 80 miles per hour in a 45-mile-per-hour zone, as the suspect drove recklessly, swerving into oncoming traffic and through residential areas.
Circle it, we're going back really far. We're just circling this field. Ready. Get up there and Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Okay, on the ground!
Police deployed a tactical vehicle intervention maneuver to halt the suspect's vehicle, causing it to collide with a tree. The suspect was safely apprehended without injuries, and backup units arrived promptly at the scene. In Detroit, a pursuit unfolded as law enforcement pursued a suspect who had stolen a weaponized vehicle. Despite reckless behavior, police tracked the suspect through various city areas. The suspect drove swiftly, disregarding traffic signals and maneuvering dangerously through streets and intersections.
Alright, he's turning around. West on McNichols.
Westbound Mexico.
Westbound on 6 off Telegraph. He's going to be 50. Traffic light.
Let Redford know we're west on McNichols.
839 is secondary.
Clear.
Secondary behind MSCF, holding out for him.
The 8 burn MSC is behind that vehicle. 39 seconds.
Alright, going back west, Grand River.
Westbound on Grand River.
Now I don't know what the third is.
Coming up the Telegraph.
Approaching Telegraph.
50 still right behind 81.
Going back eastbound.
Going back east.
Pit initiated.
Down foot.
Out on foot.
Northbound. Northbound Riverbank.
Roll him over, roll him over. Watch the dog. Somebody next.
Police employed multiple tactics to stop the vehicle, leading to a successful tactical vehicle intervention TVI that disabled it. The suspect fled on foot but was later apprehended. The pursuit posed significant risks for law enforcement and other motorists involved. The incident occurred on an Atlanta highway involving a Lexus that was speeding well beyond the 60 miles per hour limit, reaching speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. Upon noticing a patrol car, the driver attempted to escape but was quickly intercepted and blocked on a narrow street.
It's a white Lexus, I didn't get the tags, taken over from me. Get the fuck on the ground! Get the fuck on the ground! Get on the ground!
The driver abandoned the vehicle and attempted to flee on foot but was apprehended shortly thereafter. Initially facing a speeding violation, the driver's attempt to evade arrest led to additional charges, including evading arrest and endangering other vehicles on the road. A dramatic pursuit unfolded as police officers chased a suspect with an arrest warrant. The situation escalated dangerously when the suspect accelerated and fled after police approached and demanded the vehicle to stop. As officers prepared to open the driver's side door, the suspect abruptly hit the gas pedal, careening into oncoming traffic at high speed.
Nissan white male, black female, construct. 1050, Marietta, 1050.
Despite police attempts to pursue, the suspect caused a significant collision with another vehicle. After the crash, the suspect abandoned the vehicle, leaving a woman in the passenger seat, and fled the scene. Police units arrived swiftly, but the suspect managed to escape without a trace. The woman was taken to the police station for further investigation.
West, approaching Monmouth Road, quiet breeze, he's still rolling. The Charles John William 3270. 1080. Approaching 85 south. Left shoulder.
Copy, left shoulder.
Coming up on you. Lane 1.
Lane 1.
Okay, that's it.
Thanks, well, I'm holding traffic so that they can be clear on the radio. But I'm watching, I'm here, I'm waiting. Get down on the lane, we can be there. Coming up soon. Okay, what exit start?
Right shoulder coming up on you, regarded south of Sunway.
Fucking hands up! Put your fucking...
Doing 1080. Myself 453, 1080.
Bit. Public storage, bit. Hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! On the ground, on the ground. I got it up.
On March 6, 2021, in Fulton County, a patrol officer monitored traffic at Andrew Young International Boulevard and Centennial Olympic Park Drive. They heard a vehicle doing a burnout and identified it as a black and red Dodge Charger. After attempting to stop the Charger, the driver accelerated, evaded troopers on Lucky Street, and continued on to Ted Turner Drive at high speed.
Right here. He just ran the car. He just ran the car.
That dark, wasn't being please. Just turn off to Ivan Allen Jr. Bullhorn. Hey, let me just wrecked into a vehicle on Ivan Allen.
Turner was taken to Fulton County Jail for processing. Thank you all for your continuous support and following our channel. Let's journey together by subscribing to our channel, where we can share thrilling experiences and meaningful lessons. Wishing you safe travels on the road ahead.